Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Snapcode easy to read. Hold it steady and remove glare. Good lighting matters. Then open Snapchat and land on the camera screen. Grant permissions if needed so the app can use the camera. Once you're in camera view, move the phone to roughly 6 to 12 inches from the code and frame it so the dotted ghost fills most of the screen. This helps the lens detect patterns quickly. If it's a screen, reduce brightness to avoid flicker. Now you scan, tap and hold anywhere on the camera screen while the Snapcode is centered. Snapchat analyzes the unique dots and ghost. Hold still for about 1 second so the app can match the pattern. Once recognized, you'll see a confirmation overlay and an action prompt, add friend, open a link, or unlock a lens. Make your choice. If the app offers to save the contact or lens, accept if you want quick access next time. This step completes the match, and finish up by verifying the action completed, friend request sent, or lens unlocked. If it didn't work, troubleshoot, increase lighting, clean the lens, or use a screenshot and scan from your camera roll via Snapchat's Snapcode scanner. You can also switch cameras or restart the app. Make sure camera permission is enabled and the app is up to date. If problems persist, restart your phone. That resolves many temporary glitches. Once resolved, repeat the tap and hold to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.